Good morning, students. I am Raghunath Gumasti, TGT Social Science, Kendriya Vidyalaya Air Force Station, Bidar. Today, I am going to teach you Geography chapter for 10th class. Name of the chapter is Agriculture. Due to that reason, today my dress is like a farmer. Actually, I am basically son of the farmer. Before starting the lesson, I want to give introduction of agriculture chapter. Agriculture, it is a primary activity. Around 60% of Indian population are depend upon agriculture. Agriculture is a very important for Indian economy also, because it is a major source of employment. I told already you 60% of population, they are depend upon the agriculture. They are doing agriculture work, and agriculture, it is a source of raw material for industries also, because all agro-based industries are depend upon the agricultural activity. You can take example of sugarcane. Sugar industries are working. Cotton, textile industries, cotton industries are working. Like this, so many industries are depend upon the agriculture sector. Therefore, I am telling it is a important source of industries getting raw material. And for 130 crore people, they are getting food from agriculture sector. It is supplying of food, and it is a one type of important source of reduction of poverty in India. Due to the agriculture activity, slowly our poverty is reducing, and our government is also taking a lot of efforts to development of agriculture sector. And due to the agriculture, our living standard of living is improving. Also, increase in per capita income. Agriculture is a source of increase in per capita income, and it is helping our economy for development. Therefore, agriculture is called backbone of Indian economy. It is introduction. Dear children, you try to understand properly. After this, I am going to start first point. Cropping pattern of India. India has 3 cropping seasons. They are Kharif, Rabi and Zaid. At present, this is a Kharif season. Surrounding me, all these are Kharif crops. It will start in the month of June and harvesting in the month of September and October. I am going to tell you important crops of Kharif season: Jawar, Bajra, Moong, Urad, Tur, Arar, Soybean. These are the important crops of Kharif season. Already I am near of this sewer, or this is a crop, you can see properly. And here this crop is moong. For farmers it is a very, very important crop, because in a short period they will produce more yields. But what happened this year, due to the heavy and continuous rain, this crop failed. For example, you can take this one, condition of the seeds, 50% seeds in this moong crop failed. Therefore, always our farmers, they are facing problem. Sometime due to heavy rainfall, and sometime they will face problem due to lack of rainfall. And I want to show you again one more crop here only. That is a very, very important kharif crop, that is called soybean. Oil industries are depend upon the soybean. This soybean per acre, 1 minute, we can take this example. This is a crop of soybean. This is an important crop of kharif season. It is a very good crop. Around 60-70 seeds are here for one plant. And per acre around 12 quintals they will produce. Per acre 12 quintals. This is a raw material for oil industries, and our farmers, they are totally depend upon the kharif season, especially soybean crop. Now I am going to teach you about plantation crop. Surrounding me, this is a sugarcane. For sugarcane required 12 months time, and for this 75 centimeter to 100 centimeter annual rainfall is required. And all sugar industries are depend upon the sugarcane. It is a raw material for sugar industries. You can see this is a sugarcane they are using for eating, but industries are using for making sugar. And nowadays our farmers, they are using new technologies, new methods of plantation, and producing more yield. In a 1 acre, around 50 to 60 ton sugarcane will produce. Per sugarcane, per ton rate is around 2,500 rupees. And nowadays our farmers, they are using for irrigation system drip irrigation, because drip irrigation is very good for this sugarcane. And fertilizer, pesticides, lot of things we are using for getting more yields. At present in front of you, this is a very good yield. It will be harvested in the month of March. It is now small. It will take 4-5 months for sending to the transportation. Now I am going to teach you about one more crop. This is also very, very important crop. This is called ginger. इसको हिंदी में बोलते हैं अदरक. आप लोग कोविड-19 में इसका बहुत उपयोग किया है. It is a good medicine. and for this required good rainfall as well as irrigation system also. Nowadays, due to the improvement of science and technology, our farmers, they are utilizing new method of irrigation. This is called drip irrigation. Advantage of drip irrigation I am going to tell you. अगर पानी भी कम है बोरवेल में, आराम से 1 एकड़ क्रॉप को हम पानी दे सकते हैं, क्योंकि ड्रिप इरिगेशन के द्वारा पानी पाइप से डायरेक्ट क्या है पौधे तक पहुंच रहे हैं, डायरेक्ट यहाँ पर पहुंच रहे हैं, कहीं वेस्ट नहीं हो रहा. एंड दूसरा, it is not wasting water, number 1. Number 2, labors are not required for the drip irrigation. पानी छोड़ने के लिए कोई लेबर का जरूरत नहीं है. क्या करना है, दिस जिंजर फील्ड इज 1 एकड़ फील्ड, 1 एकड़ है पूरा फील्ड. ये 1 एकड़ के लिए 1 दिन में 1 बोरवेल से आराम से पानी दे सकते हैं. अगर कम से कम अगर 2 इंच 2.5 इंच पानी भी है बोरवेल में, हम पूरा 1 एकड़ क्रॉप को दे सकते हैं बाय द हेल्प ऑफ ड्रिप इरिगेशन. अगर हम ट्रेडिशनल मेथड में पानी यूटिलाइज करेंगे, कम से कम इसको 5 दिन पानी लगेगा, क्योंकि यहाँ पर तो फसल नहीं है, फिर भी पानी देना पड़ेगा ट्रेडिशनल मेथड में. मगर ड्रिप इरिगेशन में ओनली जहाँ पर क्रॉप है वहाँ पर. देखिए, ड्रिप इरिगेशन बहुत ही ईजी मेथड है पानी सप्लाई करने के लिए. यहाँ पर पाइप है, दिस इज द मेन पाइपलाइन. आई एम ज्वाइंटिंग, मेन पाइपलाइन को ज्वाइंट कर रहा हूँ. ये टोटल अराउंड 70 पाइप्स इन 1 एकड़. 4 फीट में एक पाइप रहेगा. ध्यान से सुनिए, ये पाइप सारे ज्वाइंट करने के बाद यहाँ पर एक वॉल रहेगा. हम देखिए ध्यान से, ये वॉल सिस्टम में अगर मैंने ये बंद कर दिया, पानी उधर जाएगा वो 1 एकड़ को, और क्लोज किया, अभी ये स्टार्ट कर रहा हूँ, इधर का 1 एकड़ पानी पिएगा. और उधर के लिए ये वॉल यूज करना, इधर के लिए ये वॉल यूज करना. ऑल दीज पाइप्स आर कनेक्टेड टू द बोरवेल्स. दिस इज ए ड्रिप इरिगेशन सिस्टम. ऑलरेडी आई टोल्ड यू बेनिफिट ऑफ ड्रिप इरिगेशन. इन लेस वाटर वी विल प्रोवाइड मोर लैंड. कम पानी में ज्यादा भूमि को पानी पिला सकते हैं. दूसरा, लेबर का आवश्यकता नहीं है. तीसरा, मोर देन 5 times यील्ड यू विल गेट, एक्स्ट्रा यील्ड. अगर ड्रिप इरिगेशन से अदरक को हम पानी पिलाएंगे, अगर शुगर केन को पानी पिलाएंगे, 5 गुना उत्पादन ज्यादा होगा. और चौथा, यहां पर पानी नहीं जाने से यहां पर घास नहीं होता. देखिए घास दिख रहा क्या, नो ग्रास, इससे घास नहीं होगा. और ये सारे बहुत सारे बेनिफिट है. ड्यू टू दैट रीजन आवर गवर्नमेंट ऑफ कर्नाटका व्हाट दे हैव डन, encouraging our farmers, 90% subsidy is providing. For example, I have taken 10 lakh rupees, I have to pay only 1 lakh. 90,000 will be paid by government of Karnataka. Like this, our government is providing lot of facilities to our farmers. And nowadays, due to the use of science and technology, our farmers are producing more yields. And nowadays our farmers, they are using tractors, harvesting machine, and different type of the cultivator. All these science and technology we are utilizing properly. Therefore, we are enriching, we are making strong to our economy. It is only possible from our farmers.